In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment with a photo on TikTok. This feature allows you to engage with videos in a more personalized way, adding a visual element to your comments. Whether you want to share a reaction, provide a meme, or complement the content with an image, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening the TikTok app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all of TikTok's interactive features. Once the app is up and running, you're ready to find the content you wish to comment on. Next, as you browse through your feed or explore different sections of the app, select a video where you'd like to leave a comment with an image. It could be a video that resonates with you, something trending, or even content from your favorite creator. This selection process may take a moment, so feel free to scan through your feed until something catches your eye. Once you've found the video, direct your attention to the comment section. This is usually indicated by an icon or prompt below or near the video, depending on your device. Click on this comment icon or section. This action will open up the interface where you can type out a comment, but in this case, we're aiming to add an image. Now, look for the image icon within the comment toolbar. It's often found among other icons like emojis or GIF options. The image icon usually resembles a small picture or photo icon. Once you spot it, click on this icon. This will prompt your device to access your photo library, allowing you to select an image from your gallery. Choose a photo that aligns with the message or vibe you want to convey with your comment. It could be something funny, informative, or just plain interesting. Once you've selected the perfect image, you're almost ready to send it off. Prior to posting, always double check that you've picked the correct photo, as you wouldn't want to unintentionally share the wrong image. After confirming your choice, hit the send button to post your comment along with the photo. It's as simple as that. Now you've successfully posted a comment on TikTok that includes a photo, making your interaction more engaging and visually appealing. This can enhance your presence on the platform by providing dynamic and creative expressions. Keep experimenting with different photos depending on the context of the video content, and watch how it creatively enriches your commentary interactions on TikTok. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the realm of social media and beyond.